Welcome to Waste Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to set up a fingerprint scanner on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and another Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. You can set up the fingerprint scanner to quickly unlock your device. By default, many users use the screen lock like a PIN, pattern or password. Also, you can use the fingerprint or a face unlock on your device. So in this video, I will show you how to set up the fingerprint scanner on your Pixel 10 series. So open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to security and privacy. So scroll down up to security and privacy. Here you can see tap on security and privacy. Now scroll down, tap on the device unlock. Here you can find the option fingerprint option on face unlock. But in this video I will show how to set up fingerprint. So tap on the fingerprint. Now confirm your screen lock first. You set on your device. Now set up fingerprint unlock. Use your fingerprint to unlock your phone or verify that's you in an application. So you can also use your fingerprint whenever you purchase any application on the Play Store on your device. Now scroll down. Here you can see the condition. Tap on I agree. Now how to set up your fingerprint. The fingerprint sensor will be on the next screen. For greatest flexibility, set up at least one finger on each hand. So you can set up with the screen. Now tap on start. Now touch and hold the fingerprint sensor like this on your device. Keep your finger flat on the sensor until you feel a vibration. Only change the position of your finger. Press firmly on the sensor. So you need to lift then touch again. Long press it. Make sure have the different part of your fingerprint to quickly unlock whenever you try. So you can see different condition at the top. Just follow this until complete the 100% and you can see the message. The fingerprint completed like this, one fingerprint added on your device. So this message available when complete the fingerprint setup on your device. Tap on add another fingerprint to add the multiple fingerprint of your device, or tap on a done. So here we tap the done option. Now tap on I agree again. Here you can also set up the face lock, but I will show in the different video, so we cancel it. Now set up the fingerprint, just tap on it. Here you can see the fingerprint settings different. Unlock your phone. Use fingerprint to unlock your phone or verify that you are in apps. Here you can change your fingerprint name also you want. After that tap on OK. Also check enroll fingerprint. So here you can check using setup fingerprint if working or not on a device. Also add another fingerprint using these settings. And when using a fingerprint unlock, optimize for a screen protector. So here if you want to use no screen protector, just toggle on this option you want on your device. Tap on confirm to remove the screen protector. So now lock your phone. So you can easily unlock your device just using the fingerprint scanner like this on your Pixel 10 or any other Pixel. Just touch and it will automatically unlock your Google Pixel 10 series. So easy to set up or add a fingerprint on your Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. Thank you for watching this. If you like it, share it.